Hi, my name's Gav from the channel Hiking for Health. If you haven't been here before, I do a mixture of hiking, wild camping and gear reviews. Well, thank you for clicking on this video, and today's video is all about 8 everyday hiking hacks that all hikers should know. So stay tuned and see if there's anything new you can pick up. Number 1, a nice neat waterproof jacket that fits in your pack, saving space. I always fold mine into my hood, and this is how I do it. I always start off by making sure the jacket's in a nice streamlined folded shape, and then from the bottom I fold up. And then everything's nice and neat, all ready for packing. Number 2, if you're a trekking pole user, always attach a bit of Gorilla Tape to the pole. You never know when you may need it. It can be used to repair clothing, used to help you repair your tent. Definitely worth doing. Nice and simple, quick and easy. Number 3, always take a safety pin with you. Attach it to the inside of your bag. I remember this from Cub Scouts when I was little. We had to have one of these inside our caps. You could use a zip tie instead, but let's say your shoulder strap breaks on your bag. How are you going to get back to where you need to be with your bag broken? One of these can attach the strap back to the bag and it'll help you until you get back to where you need to be. Number 4, always carry hand sanitizer. A good, simple, effective way of getting your hands clean should you need them to be. Ideally, it's best to wash your hands with water and soap, but if you just can't do that, hand sanitizer will do until you can. I always carry mine in the side pocket of a bag. Very useful, very simple, but yet very effective. If you haven't already, I'd recommend you investing in a bandana or a buff. They're so effective at keeping you cool when it's hot. You can dip it in a stream, you can wet it, wear it around your neck, and it will cool you down instantly. You can also use them to keep you warm when the temperatures start to plummet. Just an effective piece of kit, and it can be worn on the head in many different ways. Definitely worth investing in. Number 6, always carry a couple of wipes in a sealed bag. Again, they weigh next to nothing, very cheap to buy, and can be used when you're out there on the trail if you need to clean your face or you need to clean your hands and you just need to freshen up. Number 7, the simple sitting mat. Cheap, effective, lightweight, but can be used in so many different circumstances. And there's nothing like reaching somewhere with an amazing view and having somewhere relatively comfortable to sit. And finally, number 8, for those days when you're on a day hike and you don't mind carrying an extra bit of weight, the flask. Mine's a 500 milliliter, and I've used it for hot soup, coffee, tea. I've even used it to put in cold drinks and keep them cool. So combined with the sitting mat, the flask, you can just enjoy those views and just relax. So there we have it, 8 simple, quick, effective hiking hacks to help you on your way. Well, thanks for watching. I hope it's been of use, and I'll see you again on a future video.